Hi, Data 220 students. I just wanted to make you a little video about setting up a new project in RStudio because I think it's nice to have a little video that shows you what the directions mean in addition to being able to read them. So the first step in creating a new project is to go up to this little project menu up here and to select new project. Simple enough. We're going to say new directory and new project in the pop-up menus that come up. And then we're going to give our new project a good name. Now, here's a funny thing about RStudio. It doesn't tend to like special characters, and in particular, it thinks that the space is a special character. Sometimes weird things can go wrong if you use spaces in names. So I'm going to suggest that you don't, and anytime you want to use a space, replace it with an underscore or a dash or something like that. So here I'm going to create one for our module number 2. So I'm going to call it O2 using R Markdown. And you can see I'm using underscores instead of spaces here. There's nothing else that you want to check on this page. Then just go ahead and hit Create Project. And then we will switch into the new project. Hooray, this looks good. The next thing that we'll want to do is upload the R module. So I'm going to head over here to Canvas and download the R module file so that we can upload it later. So here we go, I'm saving it to my desktop. Hooray, it's done. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to try to open that file because you probably don't have a program on your computer that's configured to read it. Instead, what we're going to do is head back over here to RStudio. I'm going to make sure I'm in the new project that we just made. And then I'm going to click this upload button here in the files pane. And then you say choose file. You find that file that you just made. I think I put mine on the desktop. Is that right? Yep, there it is. Go ahead and open it. And then it will upload. And now I can open it and see all of the stuff that I'm going to do for this assignment. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.